Hi, welcome back to Hostbox channel. I'm back the tutorial for operating system. Today I'm going to discuss the topic called segmentation versus paging. How segmentation working with the hardware like that. Before seeing the directly segmentation and paging, we are now about idea about segmentation. So segmentation with hardware. So you know what is segmentation? Segmentation nothing but dividing the process into parts, spare parts like that. Dividing the process into multiple parts. You see is a pin here, point here. So here CPU is there. CPU where CPU sends the logical address where it's considered by a S number and offset by default, and these consider a base and limit. Okay, this is called segmentation table. This is called segmentation table. It's considered a base and limit. So here condition is what means here S should be the segment should be greater than less than STLR. That means segment table length register. So segment table register it always denote the limit only, limit of the table like that only. So CPU execute means what you do it have logic address where the logic address and more weight consider base and limit segment table, and also it will check if less than STLR okay, segment table register, then it will go and check if at all offset is limit S means what it will go and add the physical address. At last it will get the help of base and limit. At last move to the physical address space and continue the task. Then if not there, what will happen? If no means it's called invalid or invalid address. If not there, if yes less than STLR means okay. If yes greater than STLR, what will happen? That means condition fail. No means no like that. It's a segment of hardware. You had idea about this. Okay, CPU is there. It will it sends the logical address where it's considered segmentation table, where it's considered base and limit, and also some condition is there. Let's go for this one. So here, and moreover, segmentation paging. So when I go for segmentation paging, what will happen? Here CPU is there. CPU send the logic address. Logic address will be there. Then segmentation unit will take care of it. So segmentation unit will convert the logical address to linear address. Moreover, before sending the physical memory, what will happen means the paging unit the paging will be the paging unit will be it will be convert the logical address into linear address. Okay. Just CPU forwarding the logical address, then segment unit will forward to the paging unit. In the paging unit, what will do is it convert logical address into the linear address. At last, the linear address will convert to the physical address. This is about segmentation with paging. Let's go for the differentiate. Very simple and easy. Whenever competitive exam, definitely they ask like that. The page is always of the fixed blocks. Remember, but the segment is a variable size. It may vary. Then it may lead to internal fragmentation and it may to external fragmentation. So if you are doubt about internal fragmentation, external, what exactly external fragmentation, please kindly check the playlist. I have a continuous series of videos, you can check it. And moreover, in paging, the hardware decides the page size and the segment size specify the user only. We are the user means we can specify the user. Then a process address base is broken into fixed size blocks. This is called pages. But here in segmentation, a process address space is broken into differing sized block called sections. Moreover, the paging technique is faster for memory access. Here, segmentation is slower than paging method. At last, page table store the page data and segmentation table store the segmentation data. So here, when you go for competitive exam, you have to take care of everything. These are about the segmentation hardware and what is the difference between paging and segmentation. If you have any queries or suggestions, please kindly communicate with the following social media. And thank you for watching the video. Thank you.